Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a Prezi, which is presentation software, into your D2L homepage. As you can see on this front homepage right here, I have my presentation built right here and it shows up automatically. When I click Start, it will basically load the entire presentation and students can navigate through it. The advantage to this is that because this is a web-based embed code, anytime you update the presentation, it will automatically update in D2L. This is good for many different reasons. So anytime there's an embed code, maybe a video or Zoho, which is an online curator for content, could be embedded straight into D2L. And it makes your life easier as an instructor because then anytime you're updating those cloud-based programs or documents, it automatically is updated because all it is doing is pulling the embed code off of those documents or presentations or videos. So in this particular example, I'm going to embed this presentation that I have right here. You can see here's my embed code. So again, for this to work, you just need the embed code. Anything that has an embed code will work. So I'm just going to go to a sandbox here where we can start off and see that there is nothing showing right here. So we want to basically add a widget in this particular area. So the first thing I'm going to do is come over here, click on the embed code. Now, wherever you're using, whether it's YouTube or Zoho or Office 365 or Prezi, you just need to copy that embed code. So I'm going to say copy embed code. Now I'm going to go back into D2L and I'm going to go to Edit Course. Here on the Edit Course, widgets are in the site setup, as you can see right here. So I'm going to click on a widget. That's the first step. We got to create that widget. So I'm just going to say Create Widget. And I'm going to give it a name. In this case, we'll call it Civil War Slides. Now, it is good to give a description just so you know what the widget is displaying. So I will say something like, these are the slides that correspond to the unit on the Civil War. So then I just go to the content for that widget itself. What you'll notice as soon as it pulls up is that the content is essentially a WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. But in order to embed the code, I need to go down here and click on this HTML source editor because this is kind of the front end, so I need to go into the actual code area for this widget. So I'm going to click on HTML source editor and then I'm going to paste that embed code right here. Doesn't look like it copied, so we'll copy it one more time. Copy, go back, embed. There we go. So now we're going to click Save. And then you can see as soon as we save that, it will pull in that document. Okay, so our widget is created, so I'm going to call Save and Close. Now we have to create a custom home page so that widget will appear. Notice right now that my active home page is default, and the default home page is my home or course default. In this case, because we're in an actual course, it is course default. If I click on this, you can see that here are all of the different home pages. So what we want to do is make a copy of this course default. So I'll say copy, and now we're going to open up this new course and we're going to give the home page a title, Civil War Unit Homepage. Now you can title it the name of your entire course, so let's see, this would be History 121, and you could just use this and change the widget as you have new prezis or new content. But you can always come back in and edit these home pages. Notice that this is a widget-based home page. I'm going to give it a description. So, home page for the unit on the Civil War. Again, this can be for your entire course, and then you can always come in and change the widgets at a different date. Okay, so now you can see here's the 4 widgets I have. My courses widget, news widget, calendar widget, my settings. So I want to add a new widget, And then we're going to go to our custom widget because that's the one we just built, and there it is, Civil War slides. So I'm going to select that, click add, and you can see it's right there. I want to move it up to the top. Now to make it look like all the others, I do want to change this to a black interface. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go down, and here, notice that's a gradient right now. We need to change that to solid. And then we say custom, and we want black. And we can click hide properties, and now you can see it's black. So we click save and close, and we've created our home page. Now, the only thing we have to do is make this home page our default. So from default, we're going to click Civil War Unit Homepage, and then we're going to click Apply. Now you can see that that is the active homepage. When I click on Course Home, you can see now my slides will appear right here. Sometimes it'll take a little bit for it to load. I would definitely recommend using Chrome if you are going to be embedding Flash-based presentations like this. But otherwise, that's how you embed a widget with cloud-based technology that will automatically update into your course. Thanks for watching.